Hey, Andrew here. It's good to be back. Thanks for joining me. Let's learn how to shoot this today. So I bought this sculpture not too long ago as a prop, and I've always wanted to shoot this. But I was thinking, let's just do this with one light and still get that commercial quality still life shots that we always admire. So the things that you need to do this shot: you need a blower and a brush, even better, a cloth to remove all the dust, 2 butterfly clamps, and a mounting board like this.
Show yourself!
And of course, one flash and a light stand. Position your prop in an angle that will be beautiful. And this one light, you probably thought, let's put it in front. No, put it exactly at the back, at this angle. So the flash I'm using on the swivel on the light stand is a TT685 Godox, old and trusty. Set this on manual power, but do note I enable the optical trigger, which is S1 here. You can do so from pressing this button one time, and then make sure that the power is quite high, 1/2, half of a power. Pay attention to the zoom. I'm using a wide angle, 24mm on the zoom. So if you want to learn what is the zoom on a flash, this is 24mm. As you can see, the flash head is sticking out from inside. If I increase the zoom value to 200, you notice the flash goes in. And the flash comes out at 24 and goes in. So when it's inside, you get a spotted light. When it's outside, you get a wider light. So I'm going to kneel down and take this shot from a low angle. The flash is there, and here's the thing. This is at the lowest power, minimal flash, just to trigger that high F value, f36, ISO 100, shutter speed 1/200 of a second, which means that if the flash doesn't go off, you're going to see this shot completely dark like this. And why doesn't the flash go off? And why is everything dark? That's the reason for this. Let's make sure that the sensor of this flash is facing up. This way the sensor here can see this flash going off. Otherwise, it won't trigger. Everything's good. Focus on the bear, which is nearer to me. Take that shot. This is how it looks like. It's beautiful. Look at the bull. It's nice. Lovely outline. But the bear is completely underexposed because the light comes from the back, goes straight to, and there's nothing bouncing off the light to the bear. Let's fix this. And this is what you need, a white piece of mounting board somewhere here. The light's gonna come from the back of the sculpture, hit this, and then light up the bear, of course. But how do you make this then? Butterfly clamps. Click one here at an angle. Click another here at an angle. It's kind of like a V shape. This will hold it. But if you really shoot still life long enough, you know that this world is filled with dust. Let's remove this, because now we're gonna have front lighting. You're gonna see this all very clearly. Brush this away. So with one flash bouncing off this, let's see how this looks like. Settings are all the same still. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please head on to my e-learning website here, Beyond.Photos. So don't forget, subscribe to on this YouTube channel and head on to the comment section, because I want to hear what you think and what else you want to learn in this channel. Over and out.